With big spike in COVID cases, hospitals in Rajasthan are running out of beds for patients. Not just big cities with maximum cases, even small towns are crumbling under the pressure of rising cases.
We are right now at the district hospital of Bhilwara in Rajasthan, Mahatma Gandhi Hospital, and if you see the situation here, the patients have to be accommodated in the corridors as the hospital has run out of beds. And there are oxygen concentrators. One is being shared by 2 patients here, and if there is a massive problem of electricity. If electricity goes, the concentrator switches off.
बेड नहीं मिल रहा है, ऑक्सीजन कुछ भी नहीं। यहाँ पे बैठे हैं अब तो सुबह से ही, अभी कुछ नहीं मिल रहा है हमको।
कितना घंटा हो गया?
सुबह से देख लो 11:30 बजे से यहाँ से बैठे हैं।
तो इनको सुबह से बेड नहीं मिलता है, ऑक्सीजन भी नहीं मिल पा रहा।
ऑक्सीजन अभी दिया है।
हाँ जी,
अभी दिया है, ऑक्सीजन तो है,
बाकी बेड नहीं मिलता है।
इनको सुबह से ना तो इन्होंने कुछ खाया है ना पिया है, पानी भी नहीं लिया कुछ भी, और इन्हें कुछ भी नहीं देख रहे हैं कि एक बार भी।
पहले मैं डॉक्टर साहब को भी कह के आया कि भर्ती कर लो, तो उन्होंने कहा कि आपको रख लेते हैं, लेकिन इससे भी ज़्यादा क्रिटिकल कंडीशन होगी तो फिर इनको हटा देंगे, उनको रखेंगे। तो मैंने कहा जो भी है एक बार तो आप रख लो। पहले तो हमें बाहर बैठना पड़ा, पौन घंटे बाहर बैठे रहे कल दिन में।
Not only government facilities, even private hospitals are forced to accommodate patients in corridors due to unavailability of beds.
During the last wave of COVID-19, the small towns in Rajasthan were not really hit by the virus. But this time around, the smallest of towns are badly hit due to COVID-19, and the hospitals are crumbling under the pressure of rising cases. We are right now in Bhilwara in Rajasthan, and this is Bhangar Hospital. And as you can see, patients had to be accommodated in the corridors. It's a 90-bedded hospital which is completely full. Absolutely no single bed is vacant, and patients had to be accommodated in the corridors. That too without oxygen. So you can understand the situation. There are no beds. Oxygen supply is limited, and that is given to the most serious patients.
Rajasthan succeeded in keeping its COVID tally on the lower side during the first wave. But in the last 25 days, the state has witnessed a massive jump in COVID cases. With more patients in need of hospital beds, even the small towns have now run out of beds. With Tanushri Pandey in Bhilwara, Bureau Report, India.
Hello everyone, this is Rahul Kamal here. Hope you enjoyed this video. For the latest news and analysis, like and subscribe the India Today YouTube channel, and don't forget to press the bell icon to stay updated.